Hello children! This is Teacher Carol. Okay, we haven't seen you for a very long time, but here's the good news. We will be able to meet you every Tuesdays and Fridays. Okay, remember, you will have your English lessons every Tuesdays and Fridays. I hope you will look forward to these days. Have a short exercise. Okay, let's go.
Form bananas. Peel bananas. Go bananas, go, go, go. Form the corn, form the corn. Peel the corn, peel the corn. Pop the corn, pop the corn. Pop the corn.
Form potato, form potato. Slice potato, slice potato.
Mash potato, mash potato. Mash potato. Form the orange, form the orange. Peel the orange, peel the orange. Squeeze the orange, squeeze the orange. Squeeze the orange. Form the onion, form the onion. Dice the onion, dice the onion. Cry from the onion, cry from the onion. Cry.
Bananas, form bananas. Peel bananas, peel bananas.
Go bananas, go bananas. Go, 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 go. Let's go bananas, go bananas. Let's go bananas, go bananas. Let's go bananas, go bananas. Go, 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 go.
Okay, children, did you enjoy our exercise song? Okay, go, go, bananas! Right? Okay, I know you had fun. So now we're going to have our activity, okay? But before that, maybe you have already forgotten. What day is it today? Okay, good job. Today is Tuesday. Okay, very good. So, Tuesday is our English time. Okay, good job. Before we start, let's sing a song.
Are you ready? I said, are you ready? I said, are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Sing, I can sing, I can sing, I can sing, A, B, C.
Okay, so that was our alphabet song. So now, we're going to group them into two groups. First, vowel. Can you repeat after me? Vowel. Okay, very good. Next, we also have consonant. Consonant. Okay, so for today, I'm going to show you the different letters according to their group. Okay, are you ready? These are your vowel letters. We have A. What is the sound of A? Very good. A. Next, we have letter E. What is the sound? E. also have letter O. What is the sound? O, O, O. Good job. Next, we have letter U. What is the sound of letter U? Okay, good job. It's A. Okay, we have 5 vowel letters. We have U, we have A, we have O, we have I, and we also have letter E. Remember, 5 vowel letters. Okay, let's go on to our second group of letters. The second group of letters is called consonants. Okay, since we have 5 vowel sounds, we have 21 consonant letters. Let's start off with letter B. B, B, B. Again, B, B, B. Next, we have letter, very good, C. What is the sound of letter C? The sound is Can you do that? Very good. We also have letter D. What is the sound of letter D? Good job. D, D, D. Again. D, D, D. Next letter. F. What is the sound of F? Okay, you got it right. Next one. We have letter letter G. Sound G, G, G. Again, G, G, G. Okay, next we have letter J. Okay, sound is J, J, J. Can you do that? Okay, J, J, J. Next, we have letter H. Again, H, not H, okay? H. Okay, what is the sound of letter H? It's like you're breathing. Can you do that? But you have to cover your mouth, okay? Next, letter K. Okay, what is the sound of letter K? Okay, can you give me the letter with the same sound? Is it letter D? No. Is it letter C? Very good. It's letter C. So we have letter C and letter K with the sound K. Next, we also have letter L. Okay, the sound of letter L is L, L, L. L, L, L. Okay, we also have letter M. Okay, we have the sound M, M, M. Can you do that? Okay, M, M, M. Very good. We also have letter N. Okay, this is letter N and the sound is N, N, N. N, N, N. Okay, next we have letter P. Okay, what is the sound of letter P? Okay, good. Can you repeat? Okay. Very good. We have letter Q. Okay, what is the sound of letter Q? Okay, that is qua, qua, qua. Good job. Qua, qua, qua. Okay, next we have our letter R. Okay, the letter R has the sound R, R, R. Can you do that? Okay, it's like the roaring of an animal that you liked. Okay, we also have letter S. Okay, S has the sound like your snake. Okay, can you do that again? Okay, next we have letter T. Okay, what is the sound of letter T? Okay, good. It's t, 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 t. Good job. Okay, next we have letter V. Okay, what is the sound of letter V? Okay, it's V, V, V. Can you do that? Good job. V, V, V. Okay, we still have 4 letters more. Next, we have letter, okay, W. What is the sound of W? Okay, W, W, W. W, W, W. Okay, very good. Next, we have letter X. X. What is the sound of X? It's X, X, X. X, X, X. Good. Okay, we also have letter Y. Okay, what is the sound of Y? Great job. It's Y, Y, Y. Y, Y, Y. Okay, and our last letter is letter, okay, letter Z. Okay, what is the sound of Z? Z, Z, Z. Can you do it for me? Okay, Z, Z, Z. Okay, so there goes our consonant letters. Remember, we have 5 vowel letters and we have 21 consonant letters. Okay, so that is our lesson for today. I just want to remind you, what is this? Okay, this is a mask. Okay, so before you go out, remember, always wear your mask with you so that you will be safe. Okay, this is our lesson for today. I hope to see you next time. Our next lesson is Days of the Week with Teacher Annie. I hope you look forward to the next lesson. Goodbye!
Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me.